Man, this Carnival ship ain't live like the other ones be, man. Ain't no music. Dun, 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 dun. You know? Lit. Y'all, I get to kidnap this sexy chocolate man for 5 something days. I can't wait. What's wrong? Follow me, camera. Is this 5? I got something on my pants. What's this? This is 5? There go the casino right there. Go through it. You see it? Is it bright? Huh? Oh, I just seen bright lights. Oh, okay. You never know with this, Will. Getting on foot. Getting on foot, baby. I need the gimbals though. Hi. I need the gimbal rings. Oh, Zoe, how much are these? How much you?
Yeah, but I took everything out.
Good. Like all your important stuff, like your ID?
Yeah.
Smart, baby. What the crap? We been going down, baby. Yeah. Are you sure? Oh, God. Man, it's smaller.
You acting like you walked the whole shit.
No, but you can tell how it's set up. It's, you know what I'm saying? There ain't nothing on 5 but rooms. That's what I'm letting you know. It's not. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? But I'm saying this, so everything is like in one spot. The other ones we had to go to different floors.
It's cool right now. Yes.
Somebody got your cologne on.
Ain't no telling. Ain't no telling. Ain't no
Sing, baby.
Deck 9 promenade.
The casino, guys. His favorite spot. Deck 9. This ain't big as the other ships. This is where my hub's gonna be. The whole crew. This the spot, though. The casino, guys. Where history gets made. Yeah, it's still smaller. Babe, you know what we're used to. I'm talking about like that jump be. See, it's smallest crowd. So that was where we were just at? No. So that's why we have a bigger room. It's because they don't need all the space.
They took all the extra space. I like that though.